Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions, unsure of how to truly succeed in life? What if we told you that life is actually a game and you can learn how to win it? In this video, we'll reveal the secret rules and strategies that successful people use to navigate life's challenges and come out on top. You'll discover shocking truths about how your childhood experiences shape your gameplay and why some people seem to level up faster than others. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Subscribe now to unlock the cheat codes for life's greatest game. 1. The hidden tutorial, childhood's lasting impact. Your childhood serves as the tutorial stage of life's game. During this phase, you absorb the culture, behaviors, and beliefs of your environment, forming your initial software. For example, children raised in entrepreneurial families often develop business-oriented mindsets early on, giving them a head start in the game of wealth creation. 2. The power of your inner circle. Choosing your co-players wisely. The people you surround yourself with significantly influence your gameplay. Your life outcomes are often the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Consider how tech entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley often achieve greater success due to their proximity to like-minded innovators and resources. 3. Leveling up. The importance of location in your journey. Your geographical location can greatly impact your opportunities for growth and success. Some regions offer more resources and opportunities than others. For instance, aspiring actors often move to Los Angeles to increase their chances of breaking into the film industry, effectively changing their game map. 4. The XP grind. Building experience in your early stages. In the early stages of life, focus on gaining experience and leveling up your skills. This is similar to how successful entrepreneurs often start with entry-level jobs or internships to learn the ropes before launching their own ventures. Think of how Mark Zuckerberg honed his coding skills before creating Facebook. 5. Side quests versus main storyline. Balancing life's pursuits. While life offers many enticing side quests like entertainment and travel, it's crucial not to mistake them for the main storyline. For example, while traveling the world can be enriching, it shouldn't come at the expense of building a stable career or pursuing long-term goals. 6. The unwritten rulebook. Navigating society's expectations. Life's game is governed by both physical laws and societal rules. Understanding and navigating these unwritten rules can significantly impact your success. For instance, mastering business etiquette and networking skills can open doors in the corporate world that raw talent alone might not. 7. Leveling up through challenges. Embracing life's tests. Every difficulty you face is a test to see if you're ready to level up. If you can't solve a problem, it means you need more experience or resources. This is similar to how athletes face increasingly difficult training regimens to improve their performance and reach higher levels of competition. 8. The confidence cheat code. Believing in your abilities. Self-confidence acts as a powerful cheat code in the game of life. Those who believe in themselves are more likely to take risks and succeed. Think of how successful public speakers or performers often use confidence and positive self-talk to overcome stage fright and deliver captivating performances. 9. Skill stacking. The multiplicative power of abilities. Focus on developing a diverse set of skills that complement each other. Skills don't just add up, they multiply in value. For example, a software developer who also understands marketing and business strategy is more likely to succeed as a tech entrepreneur than someone with coding skills alone. 10. The money mini-game. Mastering financial success. Understanding and mastering money management is crucial to winning life's game. Focus on solving expensive problems for those who can afford the solutions. Consider how successful businesses often target high net worth individuals or corporations with premium products or services. 11. The time warp. Managing life's most precious resource. Time passes at different speeds throughout life, and certain opportunities are time-sensitive. Act with urgency and make the most of each life stage. For instance, many successful athletes or musicians start training intensively from a young age to capitalize on their physical prime and industry opportunities. 12. The NPC principle. Kindness as a strategic advantage. Treat everyone you encounter with kindness, as they may play unexpected roles in your journey. How you treat those who can't immediately benefit you often determines your future success. This is similar to how many successful business leaders attribute their success to mentors or connections they made early in their careers. 13. The highlight reel. Creating memories that matter. Focus on creating meaningful experiences and relationships throughout your journey. Your life's highlight reel should be filled with proud moments and cherished connections. For example, many successful individuals prioritize work-life balance and family time, understanding that personal fulfillment is as important as professional success. 14. The winning mindset, defining your own victory. Understand that you only truly win the game of life when you decide you've won. Set your own metrics for success rather than chasing an elusive finish line. This is similar to how some entrepreneurs define success by the impact they make rather than solely by financial gains. 15. The opportunity cost, choosing your path wisely. Recognize that while you can have anything you want in life, you can't have everything. Be specific in your goals and willing to make sacrifices. For instance, many successful entrepreneurs give up stable jobs and short-term comforts to pursue their business dreams, understanding the long-term potential payoff. Life truly is a game, and now you have the insider knowledge to play it like a pro. By applying these strategies, you'll be well on your way to leveling up and achieving the success you've always dreamed of. If you're intrigued by the idea of mastering the game of life and achieving true financial freedom, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle even more strategies to get there and reveal surprising twists that await you on your journey to success. Click the link in the description to access additional resources and start your path to becoming a true life game champion today.